Student, today we will discuss the topic structure. Structure, unlike array, structure must be defined first for their format and may be used later to declare variable. The keywords struct declare a structure. So general format of a structure struct and structure name called tag name and data type. Within the braces we define data type 1 2 and nth number, nth data type, braces close and semicolon. For example, here an example of struct, a structure of book bank. In book bank, a detail of one book, title, author, pages and prices. Here character, title, array size is 20, character, author name, size is 15, integer, page numbers, float, prices. Like array, in array is a collection of same type of variables, but structure is a collection of different type of data type. For example, declaring structure variable, it include following element: the keyword struct, the structure of tag name, list of variable name separated by commas and terminating semicolon. For example, struct is a keyword, this is tag name, comma, variable name book 1 and book 2 terminated by semicolon. A structure definition and variable declaration is also combined in one statement. Means declaration of structure and variable declaration both are combined in one statement. For this example, struct book bank, character, title 20, character, author name 15, integer, pages, float, prices, and here we define the variable declaration. Means this statement and this statement both are combined in this statement. Struct book bank, char, title 20, character, author 15, int, pages, float, prices, and variable name is book 1 and book 2. And next, third, accessing structure member. For example, void main, we define the structure struct book bank, char, title 20, char, author 15, int, pages, float, price, book 1 and book 2 is a structure and variable declaration. Printf, input values. Scanf is character, use string, integer, float. Here we use first book 1 values. Insert in structure, then book 1 dot title, book 1 dot author, means here variable is data type, variable is title, then book 1 dot title, book 1 dot author, and both are string, so no ampersand doesn't required, and ampersand book 1 pages and ampersand book 1 prices, same as it is for book 2. And insert value, print on the screen. This statement, insert value, print on the screen for book 1 and book 2 and get ch and close the program. So next, initialization, structure initialization. Structure variable can be initialized at compile time. For example, void main struct st record int weight float height structure complete, declare structure and declare structure variable and directly initialize by the directly initialize as compile time. Struct record, for example, struct record variable is student1 and value of student1 weight 60 and height 180.75 like centimeter. Again, struct record is a declare a variable student2 and at time of declaration we assign the value weight is 55 and height is 172. So print the value of student1 dot weight student1 dot height get ch, then output is 60 and 180 60 and 18075. Other method of initialization is void main struct record int weight float height student1 60 180 printf %d %f student1 dot weight comma student1 dot height get ch and output is 60 and 180. So thank you.